Hi, I'm Cameron Ketchum, founder and CEO of Goast.AI, and I'm starting to put together a few videos to show what Ghost is capable of. In the last video, I showed how I'm using Ghost to fix real production exceptions in our code base, so check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. In this video, I want to test Ghost on an exception from the SWE-Bench dataset. This is an interesting dataset of about 3,000 issue pull request pairs from 12 popular Python libraries. The way it's set up is you have the issue data as well as the state of the code base, which is basically the commit before the fix, and this is passed to the model. In our case, it's Ghost, which will generate a code diff. Then you can validate if the diff fixes the problem by running the validation tests and making sure the tests pass. Let's try out Ghost and see how it does. Here's one example I found from the Marshmallow library. You can see here from the problem statement, it's basically just the stack trace, which should be fine. Ghost can often provide a good fix just with that. Although we do have integrations with other observability platforms like Sentry, which enables us to pull additional information, and we found this improves the quality of the results quite a bit. Rather than just covering up the problem, it helps Ghost find the root of the problem. Let me know down in the comments what observability platform you use so we can add support for it in Ghost. So back to this exception. I've cloned the Marshmallow library and set it to the state before the issue is fixed. I've also applied the test patch, so if I run the tests, you can see it's this test here that failed. So let's go to Ghost. In Ghost, I can create a manual fix. I choose my repository, paste in the stack trace, and I could also add additional information about the exception as additional context. In this case, I don't know anything about what's happening, so I'll just hit generate fix. And now we wait a bit for Ghost to analyze the issue and suggest a fix. Okay, it's come back with something. I actually don't know if this is right, but it looks like it's making a change to the part of the file that I expect. And we can run the test to be sure. So I'll push this as a PR. Now I can pull the PR into my local environment. And now if we run the tests again, we can see if it passes. And yeah, looks like it's now passing. And if I needed to, I could ask Ghost to take another pass to make any changes that I wanted by commenting at Goast.AI in the pull request. Thanks for watching and giving this video a like. We're a small team, so it really helps. I'd love to chat with you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Let's fix some of your exceptions with Ghost. Links are in the description below. Thanks.